Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, I hope you're doing well. Behind me are three absolutely beautiful cars that myself, Romas and Dan, two colleagues at Bera Motors, have bought from auctions with a hammer price of under £500 each. These cars are going to be used for a road trip video that's upcoming on the channel, but before all that, every safe road trip begins with a little bit of maintenance. So we're going to get these in the workshop and have a go at servicing them ourselves. Wish us luck.
There's the first hurdle to cross. A screw head that isn't really a screw head.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
I feel quite bad that these guys haven't got as much power as the Jag Beast, so I have got them some performance upgrades. Come with me and we'll... Obviously when you've got a naturally aspirated car, there's not a huge amount you can do performance-wise, which is why you need a turbo. So let's fit the old turbo whistle to the wagon arm. Looking forward to hearing that.
I think I've been given I've drawn a short straw here.
Well, I can have a go if you want. I don't really know what I'm doing. I didn't know what you were doing, so I don't know what I'm doing.
We're trying to undo a screw at the moment, so that's fairly straightforward. But
Doesn't seem like it.
Apart from the fact the screw won't come undone, this might be a bit. That's a bit overkill, he says.
Frankly, do we need all the screws? Could we drill that one out?
No, we don't really need them all, but it's
Do you need them at air sort of?
You don't, I feel like this needs more air, the power it's got.
Just take it out.
There must be an induction kit lying around it somewhere. It looks pretty fresh.
It does. Look, we can just pull it out like that. There we go.
Oh no, that's different.
Oh, it's got a
Weird.
Bosch one in there. Now let's replace it with a lesser quality one.
It looks like a
Let's replace it with a...
scouring, a kitchen sponge.
Are you ready for this?
Let's put, oh.
Wow.
Now, black's a good idea, because then when it gets dirty, it doesn't look like it longer lasting.
Definitely so. Definitely so. Insert your foam piece. Beautiful. Just as Jaguar intended.
That's not right, I can tell already that's not right. Oh, has it got to be really wedged? Oh God.
Bits are falling off. We're good.
I don't think it's meant to be pushed that far in.
Not that.
Did you disconnect this, or is
No, I disconnected
that
it, yeah.
just to start? Should I reconnect it?
Yeah. Or whatever it is.
I imagine that's my mass airflow sensor.
Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Oh, good news is I think the oil's come out already. Judging by the underside, so there probably won't be a great deal to drain. What's that? 13?
I think you should get rid of them away. Oh well,
It's,
look at the flexi.
Quality fitment. Oh, you've gone for... We've not even gone for a socket. We've just...
Well, it's set to 13.
Might need to wait for an oil drainer first.
Yeah.
That would also be helpful.
Just go higher.
Yes. Oh, I've just been tripped on.
Oh no, I'm actually, yeah. I'll get the right, that's ripping.
Honestly, hoping that I can get around to changing the crank pulley, which has decided to part its ways with the rest of the vehicle. Let's see if we can see it. It's up in here. Here's our, I'm pretty sure, last time I checked, but I'm pretty sure that this is supposed to be attached to the vehicle.
Wow, I didn't even know it was that good.
Yeah. Normally these stay with the engine. Amazingly,
What job does it actually do though?
the belt stayed on, which is incredible.
That's the type of car this is.
Yeah. So
Incredible.
that is today's task, is to try and swap that out. Might make it a little less squeaky. Nice.
Oh, look at that for precision.
Wow.
Nearly out.
It's always useful when Dan doesn't have the tools that I need. Not that I'm stealing. A very odd airbox, but fair enough. Just have to take this off, either the back or the front. I'm just going for the front, so I'm guessing there. 2 bolts each side, off, air filter out, new one in, job's good.
So do I need a special tool for this oil filter? Oh. What's that?
No, you just need a big socket. I think that's 32, I think.
Who would do this for a living?
Who stole my fucking...
Where is it? What's that?
Did you steal this by any chance? An oil cap?
An oil cap? What's one of those?
You fuck.
It's got to be here somewhere, Romas.
Yeah, I know. Just figure out what.
You need to take better care of things. This is the problem we have at work, isn't it? Keys are now oil caps.
Keys? No. Put it there in a safe place.
You have to work for a clicker.
What do you reckon, Jordan? There? Up here?
Yeah.
I think that's where Romas would like it most.
Well, it needs to be like a 45-degree angle across the rear window, if that's the case. I like giving the car a forward wash.
Oh. You like that? That's just the kind of guy I am. That's nice, isn't it? He's got his beard in there and...
This is so satisfying.
6 litres is going in mine. Look at this. Wow. Tiny little oil cap it's got. That's weird. You'd expect it to be bigger on this car, wouldn't you? Especially with all that oil going in. Then we'll get that off. Whoa!
Pretty good.
You can't just take parts off my car. That was like me earlier, to be honest. Most mornings. I think this barrel's also got IBS.
You bastard. You bastard.
Right, air filter done, oil filter done, oil in. Coolant looks alright.
Have you actually even opened it?
No, do I need to check the level now, or do I need to run it first?
Run it first.
Right, I'm going to run it first.
Hang on, you can't run it first.
Oh.
It's missing a crank pulley. Your power steering fluid's good. Washer fluid is probably needing a top up. That's all behind you. On the left here is an open one, and then there's just water in those.
Is this mixed?
No.
So I mixed it?
Yeah.
Oh no, I just put some in and then...
Yeah, it's a splution and... Your brakes look good on this. You got good discs.
Thanks.
You've got a good
Sploosh. Is yours all done now, other than...
It's done.
Should we, while Dan's helping me out, should we get yours out and then we can bring in Dan's weapon?
Oh, yes.
Give it a rev. Guys, just a very quick break to talk to you about carsboughtformore.com, who are sponsoring this video series. Carsboughtformore.com is a business that I set up in April 2020 when unexpectedly, like a lot of us, I was at home not knowing what the future held. The idea was to help people sell their cars fairly and easily, and ideally without having to leave their homes. Cars Bought For More aims to always pay more than the competition and to not knock you down on price when it comes to seeing the vehicle. We know cars, so as long as you give us as much information as possible, we make a fair offer, and in some cases we've paid over 10 times what we any car have offered. Anyway, back to the video.
This is amazing. Splooge. What the fuck just happened?
Right, I'm a bit of an expert at this servicing lot now, so if you put the legs out from us.
Spread our legs.
I'll do this side.
It's interesting how he said he'll do the legs and walks away. Nice. Yeah, I'll do those ones. Oh, tea!
This is making tea.
Isn't it?
I guess so. Socket.
You found my ass. Don't do that.
Just put your hand over my hole, my inlet. Oh, all I can smell is Doritos. Thank you. Right, where's the air filter?
So it's around the right way.
No, it's not round the right way. I was just checking to see if you were paying
Do
attention.
you not think the air filter looks a bit... Oh, it's got a square edge on it.
Yeah.
There's a square edge that points towards an angle.
Excuse me, sorry for violating your car now. There we go though, it worked. It's not wrong if it works. I'm not very good at guessing the size of the sockets I've found.
It's going to be 12 and 14, I reckon, now.
Surely it can't be 10s again. It's 10s.
Life's been dodged.
He was concerned about what I'm about when I look back in mine.
Nothing that doesn't belong here.
Nothing that doesn't belong here. That's the bit concerning.
That's right at home. What the fuck is that?
What have you come out with?
How am I going to grip a fucking oil filter with that?
Come on,
It's an oil filter, not your fucking cock. I'm going to need something a bit bigger.
That's too big for mine.
I mean, it's small. That's what I meant.
What's he
Might
going
be
to
employing it. No. Jesus, man.
Fire her up.
How much oil does mine take?
2.3 litres.
Is that it? 2.3?
It's taken about 1 so far and doesn't want to take any more.
Takes a bottle of Coke of oil. Did you say it doesn't want to take any more?
It's stopped receiving oil now, so
Did you actually take the
that might be all it wants. Huh?
Did you take the sunlight?
Yeah.
Yeah, I brimmed it.
Top to right up. Is it meant to bounce back up the tube? Right, Jordan, so the nice thing about these turbo kits that we're fitting on Dan and Romas's car is they are fully adjustable, so I can't decide whether to go fully in on this one or fully out. Different tone, I don't know what the difference is. What do you reckon? Yours is about midway. Should we go fully in?
Yeah.
Should we go fully inserted? Full penetration? Oh, no way. It's a bit tight.
That's right, Joe. You definitely want to check the full look because
I'm not willing to accept this.
Joe's sabotaging us very much. He's restricting our exhaust flow.
If I tap this in, it will never come out, I don't think. I do.
Yes.
Oh, Ben.
Has it got oil in it?
Yeah. Some, at least.
It's got some.
It's seen oil in there. Few revs, please.
Honestly, when you drive down the road, it's just going to be. I expect wheel spin.
I can't wheel spin in second.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's highly unlikely with no first gear.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, no first. Oh yeah. What a machine. We're gonna do around the block. I'm not gonna. It just sounds like I got a referee following me.
Well, there we are. Here we are in the winning car, clearly. Twice as much power, twice the displacement, twice the road prowess. Well, there you have it, guys. We managed it. All 3 cars are serviced. All 3 cars still running. 2 of them, of course, sound an awful lot better than they did before, thanks to my highly rated and highly expensive modifications. Dan and Romas, don't know how lucky they are. Please do like, comment, let me know what you think of the video. Make sure you subscribe for the upcoming road trip video, which should be in the next few weeks. And I'll see you in the next video.